What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're creating a sketch illustration of a spoon. Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson we'll need a sketch pad and a pencil. I'll be sketching with this 2B Styler pencil, but you're welcome to use whatever you'd like. Now the first thing we want to do is define the angle of our spoon. So let's start at the very top left. We're just going to angle it coming down and across towards the bottom right of our page. And then we're going to define the length of our spoon. So right up here, it's going to mark this off. Come down towards the bottom and mark off the bottom. Now the head of the spoon is going to be about 1/3 the length of the spoon. So right about here, I'm going to mark that off. Let's connect the top and bottom with an oval, going all the way around towards the bottom and back up. Now we can create pretty much any shape we want for the end of the spoon. Now with the handle of the spoon, we want to give it a little bit of shape. So from this point, I'm just going to bend this up, come down, back towards that line, and just flatten that out. Now I just want to trace this along the outside. We want to go a little bit narrower across the neck. So let's start with the left side first. Tracing this out. Now as you come down towards the bottom, it's going to go wider, down towards the end. Now let's do the same thing across the right side. Going up, across, and then out. Let's round out the end of the handle. Now I want to go back and modify the shape of the spoon. So we're going to start by bringing this across. And I just want to kind of pinch it in towards the tip. Going around, go up towards the top. Now the back side is going to be a little bit shallower. So we're going to go up in an angle and then out towards the end. Blend this in towards the neck of the spoon. Once we have the basic shape of our spoon, we're just going to erase these guidelines. And then I'm just going to go back in and just clean up our lines. Just going to modify the shape of that neck, bringing it down a little bit lower across the top. And we're going to go back and just darken up our contours around the outside. We're just smoothing out these lines. Do one final cleanup. Now to give our spoon a three-dimensional shape, we're going to add some reflections and shadows. Let's start with the inside. We're going to start from the very top. It's going to lightly add a reflection. It's going to curve this so it looks like it's bent in the bottom. Just curve this reflection and just pull that up towards the top. Let's go back to the outside. It's going to round this out. Now it doesn't really matter what we're reflecting, as long as we have this shape going around and back in. Going to add a little bit of a highlight on the outside edge. Now I'm just going to darken that up, and we can just modify the shape as we go. Kind of coming around towards the bottom. I'm just going to darken up the inside. And the darker this reflection is, the more reflective the surface will appear. Just going to follow this along the edge of the spoon, coming down in towards the handle. I'm just going to blend that in towards the bottom. A little bit thicker, just blend that up. Just going to add a thick edge along the bottom of the spoon. following that same curve, just filling that in. And as you come down towards the bottom of the handle, we're just going to split this off. So you see this little highlight across that bottom edge. Just going to blend this out towards the bottom. I'm just going to fill in the bottom on the left and then fade that up. Now along the bottom of the spoon, we're going to step up, just add a little curve going across the base. I'm just going to darken up that line and then fade that up across the handle, just working our way up. I'm also going to shade in this area right in the middle of the handle, across that bend. Just fade that out towards the sides. Lightly shade in the inside of the spoon. And then over on the top, I'm just going to shade that in and then fade that down towards the bottom of that curve. Now I want to place a drop shadow underneath the spoon. So we're going to start underneath the head, and darken that up, and then fade that out. We're almost capturing the same shape of the spoon underneath. Just going to fade that out towards the sides. Now as the spoon lifts off the surface, we're going to pull that shadow down. Come down, just leave a gap. And just come back in around the contact point. And as we get closer to the end, we're just going to tighten up our shadows and detail, and always be sure to sign our artwork, and that's pretty much it. There's a sketch illustration of a spoon. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different objects just like this. I want to thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you again soon.